For the Revell 4 GT build, I decided not to go with the stock livery as I'm not really that big of a fan of it and I've seen it a lot of times before. Now instead I decided to go with this WYNN'S livery, which speaks to me a lot more, and I really like the purple color on the body. So to do that, I decided to go with this Scale Motorsport set of aftermarket decals to transform the livery into this version, of course. If you're familiar with Scale Motorsport product, I don't have to tell you that the quality on these is incredibly high. Now you probably know them from their carbon fiber or other composite decals, maybe even some of the interior detail up decal sets, but they also make a couple of livery decal sets and some photo etch parts as well, including some upgrade sets too. Now in this case I'm going to be using this one on the Revell Forge GT kit. As you can see, it's cleverly thought out that they do a white decal first and then you can place the other one on top of it to make it less transparent and not show the color from the body coming through. That's really smart and really cool to see that they've even thought about those small details. All of these smaller decals are also incredibly nicely printed, and I look forward to using this on the build. Now since these are not the stock decals that come with the Revell kit, you of course also get a nice instruction sheet from Scale Motorsport as well. It's incredibly nicely detailed and lays out really well where each decal needs to be. The decals are even numbered, and on the back you can even clearly see which decals they mean if you're not really certain on the decal itself.